exorcist. Myself, take it away. Step across the door and deal with the kid. Boy, now. Look it. Step aside now. Exorcist is now taking over. For you don't know what you're doing. Trying to test the best now. Step aside now. Exorcist is now taking over. For you don't know what you got, and you don't know what you're doing. You said your sound is not ready, trying to touch the best. You're not ready, just trying to touch the champion. Whoa. Back it up, back up your sound, cause we